Valuable meaning मूल्यवान. Example, this ring is valuable. Wise meaning बुद्धिमान. Example, he is a wise man. Youthful meaning युवा जैसा या तरोताज़ा. Example, she looks youthful. Ancient meaning प्राचीन. Example, this temple is ancient. Brilliant meaning उत्कृष्ट या बहुत तेज. Example, she is brilliant. Creative meaning रचनात्मक. Example, he is creative. Delightful meaning आनंददायक. Example, the show was delightful. Genial meaning अतिथि सत्कार करने वाला. Example, the host was genial. Grateful meaning आभारी. Example, I am grateful. Helpful meaning सहायक या मददगार. Example, she is helpful. Innocent meaning निर्दोष या मासूम. Example, the child is innocent. Efficient meaning कुशल या दक्ष. Example, she is efficient. Fearless meaning निर्भय. Example, he is fearless. Kind meaning दयालु. Example, she is kind. Lazy meaning आलसी. Example, he is lazy. Mature meaning परिपक्व या समझदार. Example, she is mature. Neat meaning साफ सुथरा. Example, keep your room neat. Polite meaning विनम्र या शिष्ट. Example, be polite. Quiet meaning शांत. Example, the room is quiet. Rich meaning धनी. Example, he is rich. Zany meaning मजाकिया या अजीब. Example, he is zany. Active meaning सक्रिय. Example, she is active. Young meaning युवा या छोटा. Example, he is young. Warm meaning गर्म या गर्मजोशी वाला. Example, the water is warm. Thanks for watching.